Welcome to BigONE Weekly News Update. I'm Sophia. The cryptocurrency market has been on a wild ride over the past week, with Bitcoin (BTC) closing at 94,270. This volatility comes amid a mix of macroeconomic pressures, regulatory shifts, and geopolitical tensions, all while the US government considers a groundbreaking move: the establishment of a strategic cryptocurrency reserve. Market performance, winners and losers. Bitcoin and Ethereum struggle. Bitcoin and Ethereum faced significant headwinds throughout February. Bitcoin dropped 18%, while Ethereum saw massive outflows, with the market experiencing its largest single-month net outflow of BTC and ETH in history, totaling 40,000 BTC, approximately $3.5 billion. The decline was fueled by the Bybit hacking incident and a deteriorating macroeconomic environment in the US, including the looming threat of escalating trade wars and new tariffs on goods from Canada, Mexico, and the EU. Solana and Cardano defy the trend. In contrast, Solana, SOL, and Cardano, ADA, emerged as standout performers. SOL gained 5% last week, while ADA surged nearly 50% over the past week. This rebound was partly driven by a tweet from former President Donald Trump, who called for the creation of a U.S. crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, SOL, and ADA. The White House's announcement of a cryptocurrency summit on March 6 further boosted market optimism. Regulatory shifts and institutional moves. SEC drops crypto lawsuits. In a landmark decision, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, withdrew several high-profile lawsuits and enforcement actions against major crypto companies, including Coinbase, Consensys, Robinhood Crypto, Gemini, Uniswap Labs, and OpenSea. These cases, which centered on whether digital assets should be classified as securities, were either dismissed or closed without further action. The SEC also clarified that most memecoins do not qualify as securities, as they lack utility or profit-generating functions. BlackRock embraces Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock made waves by including the IBIT Bitcoin ETF in its model portfolio for the first time, allocating over 2% to the asset. This move underscores growing institutional acceptance of cryptocurrencies. Additionally, CME announced plans to launch SOL futures in mid-March, further bolstering market sentiment. The U.S. crypto reserve proposal, a game-changer? Former President Trump's tweet about establishing a U.S. crypto strategic reserve has sparked widespread discussion. The proposal suggests using the Exchange Stabilization Fund, ESF, under the U.S. Treasury to purchase cryptocurrencies, including XRP, SOL, and ADA. Established in 1934 to stabilize the dollar exchange rate, the ESF could be repurposed to support the crypto market without requiring new legislation. However, its limited size, tens of billions of dollars, means its impact may be modest. Trump's Executive Order 14178 also hinted at using cryptocurrencies seized by the federal government through law enforcement actions to fund the reserve. While this proposal has generated optimism, analysts caution that congressional legislation to actively purchase BTC assets is unlikely to be announced at the upcoming cryptocurrency summit due to the lengthy legislative process. Macroeconomic challenges, trade wars and tariffs. The U.S. macroeconomic landscape remains fraught with uncertainty. New tariffs on goods from Canada, Mexico, and the EU are set to take effect on March 4, while President Trump's plans to impose a 25% tariff on EU goods and additional tariffs on Chinese products have heightened fears of a full-blown trade war. The Atlanta Fed's GDP Now forecast, showing negative growth, further dampened market sentiment, leading to a decline in U.S. stocks and a reversal of the American exceptionalism narrative. What's next? Key events to watch. As March unfolds, the market will closely monitor several pivotal events. March 4th, U.S. tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China take effect. March 6th, White House Cryptocurrency Summit. March 7th, U.S. non-farm payroll data release. Additionally, the activation of Ethereum's Pectra upgrade on the Sepolia testnet and the ECB's rate decision could influence market dynamics. The cryptocurrency market remains highly volatile, shaped by regulatory developments, macroeconomic challenges, and geopolitical tensions. While the U.S. crypto reserve proposal has injected optimism, its practical impact may be limited. Investors should stay vigilant, keeping a close eye on key events and institutional developments in the coming weeks. Join BigONE today and take advantage of the growing cryptocurrency market.